Hey freebies, today we're going to practice 2 chords that'll help us master 2 songs. Now, as we're practicing these chords, I've got a couple of tips for us. Tip number 1, our goal is to get the gap between the chords, our pause, as small and short as possible until there is no more pause. Tip number 2, if you're having a hard time keeping up, that is totally fine. Just end your current chord early so that you can get your next chord ready and enter in on time. The more you practice, the shorter that gap will get. Tip number 3, use YouTube's playback speed technology to your advantage. I'm going to be offering a slow speed and a faster speed, but if you want to dial it in just right, if you need it a little slower or a little faster, just mess around with YouTube's playback speed until it feels just right. It's always best to play slower and learn it the right way and then speed it up. If we play too fast too soon, we're gonna memorize the wrong things and it's gonna be really hard to break those patterns. Our first song we're gonna play is He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. You're gonna play 8 beats of G and then 8 beats of C and going back and forth. So it's gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But in music, we tend to like to count by 4s. Our measures often have 4 beats. So really it's 2 measures of G and 2 measures of C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a quick turnaround at the end where C only gets 1 measure, but for the most part, 2 measures of each chord. So let's give it a shot. Here's He's Got the Whole World at a slower speed. Got your G? He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 Hey, good job. Now we're going to play another song. This one is La Bamba. And we're going to have 4 beats per chord. So it's going to go G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna warn you, this key is not good for my voice, so I'll either be in the gutter or up on the rooftops, but maybe it'll be perfect for you. Feel free to sing along. Here we go, at our slower speed, La Bamba. Got your G? Para bailar la bamba. Para bailar la bamba se necesita una poca de gracia. Una poca de gracia para mí, para ti y arriba, arriba. Y arriba, arriba, por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré. Yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. La bamba, la bamba, la bamba, la bamba. All right, so those are those 2 songs slow, but let's take them up the speed. Back to He's Got the Whole World in His Hands, starting with your G. Remember, this one is 2 measures of G, then 2 measures of C, and then at the very end, C just gets 1 measure, and then we end on G. Here we go. He's got the whole world in his right, and then back up onto the rooftops for La Bamba. I'm gonna play it without my capo for you guys this time. We're gonna go faster this time, and if it's too fast, again, feel free to use the YouTube playback feature to slow it down for you. Here we go. Para bailar la bamba, para bailar la bamba, se necesita una poca de gracia para mi parte y arriba, arriba, y arriba, arriba, porque seré, porque seré, porque seré. Yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. Bam, bam, bamba, bam, bam, bamba, bam, bam, bamba, bam, bam, bamba. All right, guys, I want to play La Bamba one more time in my key with the capo on the 5th fret. And I'm going to throw in one more chord that I like to play, because I like the chord D in there as well. And I'm going to play my fancy G also. But this is how I like to perform La Bamba. All right, guys, here we go. Para bailar la bamba, para bailar la bamba, se necesita una poca de gracia para mi parte y arriba, arriba, y arriba, arriba, por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré. Yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. Bam, bam, bamba, bam, bam, bamba, bam, bam, bamba, bam, bam, bamba. So feel free to go back to the part of the video where you're at in your progress and just play it over and over again until you get those gaps shorter and shorter and are making nice smooth chord changes. And when you're ready, let's learn more chords together. Hit subscribe and let's go to our next lesson. I'll see you there.